Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and I created this look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and before you start watching, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on that little bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, and if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with this e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Primer. Next, I'm going to conceal my under eye circles, and I'm going to take this Measurable Difference Concealer Collection, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Pecan. I'm just going to take my ring finger and I'm going to apply that to my under eye circles. Next, I'm going to take the LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Matte Foundation, and this is in the shade Medium Beige. And I'm going to take my Artistry Damp Beauty Blender and blend it all out. Next, I'm going to take this LA Girl Velvet Bronzer and I'm going to contour. For concealer, I'm going to use this Smashbox 24 Hour Concealer in the shade Light Medium. I'm just going to take my Beauty Professionals brush to blend it out. Then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender to blend the concealer out. Next, you guys already know the drill. I'm going to bake using my Airspun translucent powder. Next, I'm going to grab some stuff that came in my Boxycharm box this month. I'm going to grab this Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream to just go over my eyebrows. And at the end of this, it comes with the eyebrow pomade. And then in the Boxycharm box, it also came with this Crown palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Next, I'm going to take this shade here. Next, I'm going to go in with this one here. Next, I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and putting this on my eyelid. I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to apply this shade to my eyelid. Next, I'm just going to take this shade again and blend everything out. And I'm going to go back in with this shade, put it in my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to take this shade and apply it to my inner corner and my brow bone highlight. Next, going back in my Boxycharm box, I'm going to take this Wonder Beauty mascara. Next, I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shack Light Contour Palette and take the shade right here On my Boxycharm box, I'm also going to take this Note Desert Rose Blush. Next, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Next, to set everything, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Powder. Next, for the lips, I'm going to take this Flirt Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Look at My Lip. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'll list those down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!